screen door catches on the frame every time, and the floorboards groan under the weight of us. We spent 2 nights in this house of timber, watching the lake air soften the white paint. The scent of pine and salt water is thick here. As the building settles in the dark earth, out in the mouth of the Mississauga Straits, the silverbacks are hitting the line hard, hard. There is a quiet joy in the tension of it, while the big ships load the stone at the quay. Just a small piece of the island to keep, a small piece of the island. The restaurant kitchen was loud and warm, feeding the locals and the few who wander in. We ate our fill and walked back in the cool, under a sky that feels closer than it used to. My hands still feel the pulse of the outboard, but my head is finally finding some rest. Out in the mouth of the Mississauga Straits, the silverbacks are hitting the line hard, hard. There is a quiet joy in the tension of it, while the big ships load the stone at the quay. Just a small piece of the island to keep, a small piece of the island. The quarry ships are low in the channel tonight, pulling the heavy rock away from the shore. They move like gray ghosts against the horizon, leaving a wake that we feel in our chests. Every engine turning for a world somewhere else, a world somewhere else. Out in the mouth of the Mississauga Straits, the silverbacks are hitting the line hard, hard. There is a quiet joy in the tension of it, while the big ships load the stone at the quay. Just a small piece of the island to keep, a small piece of the island. The wood is cooling in the evening chill, one more night before we head back south.